What do we got going on here?
Maiden flight of the Archer 2. We are bumping. Alright. Let's do it.
Beauty.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Now give her a touchdown land and do a couple takeoffs here. That's really nice. Look at this. Wow! Oh, wow! Wow! Well, you're pushing it. You're pushing it.
It is quiet.
It really is quiet too.
Did you put a camera on
Oh, I got wind. I'm battling.
Nice. Come right at us. Look at this.
there? Pull up. Oh, are you landing? Oh.
That's all right. First successful. That was sweet.
Oh man.
Nice.
Rough.
That was
Good.
awesome. First flight.
The wind
Awesome.
was what was messing me up.
It is a little bit windy. We got probably about.
Kind of track
what direction I was.
And look at how it takes it. Hey, I'm straight up giving a thumbs up. 3 guys, can I get, what do we got? I got 1 thumbs up over here, 2 thumbs up over here. We got 3 thumbs up over on the Archer.
Saved yourself from running into this.
That was
I know.
very,
Like,
very
I'm going
nice.
Too far, I'm going too far. I gotta just get it down.
All right, so what's that model again?
That's the Park Zone Archer 2.
Park Zone Archer 2. Very nice. It's very durable. As we get this ready for a nice takeoff. Okay, there she is. Wow. Nice back and low. Super quiet motor. Wow! I thought for a second that was going to be some.
No doubt, huh?
Did that get your adrenaline going there, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, bring her back.
Nice.
Oh. Here we go. Give me a flyby. That's the Archer 2, first flight. Super easy. I'm gonna go up to the transmitter here. Oh wait, here it comes back. Here it comes back. Nice. So we walk up, we take a look at the transmitter. That's a Spektrum DX5e transmitter.
The one that came with the Phoenix flight simulator.
The baseball field and try and land it there.
And he's taking it down. Perfect landing at second base. All right.
That's pretty sweet.
Now who's the maker of that?
That is Park Zone.
Park Zone.
Park Zone Archer 2.
With the DX5e transmitter.
Got it on sale for 80 bucks, find and fly.
That's a great deal. What a beautiful day here in Colorado too.
Oh no! Oh no! All right, that's it. That's our first crash. Oh no! Oh boy! Did it take it?
I think it
It's
did.
looking pretty good.
I think we just have a canopy and battery.
Is your propeller straight still?
I don't know. We might have.
Oh!
There may be a little bend on the propeller here. Take an eye on it. Everything's working. So that took crash pretty good. That was the first crash.
And you
Oh,
can see
you
the
gotta
dirt
be
on
one.
there.
Yeah, I'm a little bit. Looks like a little bit at angle.
Yep. So that's either probably going to be a straight rod replacement or a retweak. All right, we'll let you know. All right, after a crash, the propeller's a little tweaked. It took a nosedive. So we're gonna see how this Archer 2, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, it is off, it's cantered. So number one, can a plane fly with a cantered propeller, especially a toy one, like this high quality Archer 2? Here's our test.
Oh.
See, I thought it's gonna pull to the right hard.
It did that? It pulled?
Yep, all right. We're calling it quits for the day. We're gonna give that thing a fix. We'll be back at you. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up as always. Peace.